Do you want to improve your English fast? Today we will learn English through simple stories. Each story is easy, real life, and perfect for beginners. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's begin. This is Ali's morning routine. Listen to the story. Ali wakes up at 7 o'clock. He stretches and says, "Good morning." He gets out of bed and walks to the bathroom. He turns on the water and washes his face. The water feels cool and refreshing. Then he goes to the kitchen and makes a cup of tea. He puts a tea bag in his favorite mug and adds hot water. Ollie sits near the window and drinks his tea slowly, watching the city wake up outside. The morning sun feels warm on his face. After that, he feels energized and gets ready for work. He chooses his clothes, gets dressed, and prepares his bag for the day. Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I will say each sentence and you will say it back. Ready? Ollie wakes up at 7 o'clock. He stretches and says, "Good morning." He goes to the bathroom and washes his face. Then he makes a cup of tea. Ollie sits near the window and drinks his tea slowly. After that, he gets ready for work. Great job. Now let's learn some useful words from the story. The first word is wake up. To wake up means to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 6:30 every morning. Next is wash. To wash means to clean something with water. He washes his face. You can also wash your hands or wash the dishes. Our last word is ready. Ready means prepared for something. For example, he gets ready for work. Are you ready for the next story? Before we move on, let's test your memory. Answer this small question. What time does Ollie wake up? He wakes up at 7 o'clock. Did you get it right? Excellent. Now listen to story 2. It's about a trip to the grocery store. Sarah goes to the grocery store on a Tuesday afternoon. She needs bread, milk, and eggs for her breakfast tomorrow. She takes a shopping cart and walks down the first aisle. She looks at the different kinds of bread and picks up a fresh loaf of whole wheat bread. Then she moves to the dairy section and chooses a bottle of cold milk from the refrigerator. Finally, she finds the eggs. She carefully checks to make sure none are broken. At the counter, she greets the cashier with a friendly smile and says, "Hello." The cashier scans her items and says, "That will be $5, please." Sarah pays with her card and says, "Thank you. Have a good day." Now, let's practice the sentences. Repeat after me. Sarah goes to the grocery store. She needs bread, milk, and eggs. She walks down the aisle. She picks up a loaf of bread. Then she chooses a bottle of milk. At the counter, she smiles and says, "Hello." The cashier says, "That will be $5. Sarah pays and says, "Thank you. Wonderful work." Let's look at some new vocabulary. First, aisle. An aisle is a walkway between shelves in a store. When you go shopping, you walk down the aisle. Next, cashier. The cashier is the person who takes your money at the counter in a store. The cashier gave me my change. And loaf, a loaf is one full, shaped piece of bread. For example, I bought a loaf of bread. It's your turn to answer a question. Are you ready? What does Sarah buy at the store? She buys bread, milk, and eggs. Well done. Time for our final story. Story 3. Listen carefully. David visits his friend Anna on a sunny Sunday afternoon. He brings a small, beautifully wrapped box of chocolates as a gift. He rings the doorbell and Anna opens the door with a big smile. She says, "Welcome, David. I'm so happy to see you." They sit on the comfortable sofa in the living room and talk about their work week and their plans for the upcoming holiday. After chatting for a while, Anna suggests they watch a movie. They watch a very funny movie together and laugh a lot. It's a great way to relax. Before leaving, David says, "Thank you for having me. I had a wonderful time." Anna smiles warmly and says, "You're welcome any time. Come again soon." All right, let's practice repeating the sentences from this story. David visits his friend Anna on Sunday. He brings a small box of chocolates. Anna opens the door and says, "Welcome." They sit on the sofa and talk about work. Then they watch a funny movie together. Before leaving, David says, "Thank you for having me." Anna smiles and says, "Come again." Excellent. Let's learn the new words. Our first word is visit. To visit means to go see someone and spend time with them. I like to visit my grandparents on weekends. Next is funny. Funny means something that makes you laugh. The movie was very funny. Our last word is together. Together means with each other, not alone. They watch a movie together. Now, for your final question from this story. What gift does David bring for Anna? He brings a box of chocolates. Fantastic job. Now, let's review the most important sentences from all 3 stories. This is great speaking practice. I'll say the sentence slowly, and you can repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. I wash my face. I go to the store to buy food. I need milk and eggs. I visit my friends on weekends. We watch a movie together. You're doing so well. Your pronunciation is getting better and better. Now, it's time for you to try to speak on your own. Using simple sentences, try to describe your morning routine. You can use the phrases we learned. For example, what time do you wake up? What do you do next? I'll give you a moment to think and speak. Very good. You are improving so much with every sentence. Keep practicing just like this, and you will become a confident English speaker. Thank you for learning English with stories today. If you want more beginner-level speaking practice to help you improve, please like this video and follow our channel. We have many more lessons coming for you. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.